So hi everyone. In my last video, you saw how we use pylint to get score for my particular project, and now in this video, we will see how we can improve on the pylint score. So if you have missed on that, I will again show you how we can calculate the pylint score for a particular project. So pylint score is basically giving an idea about how good the code is, how well it is written. So writing logic is not tough, but writing good code is tough, as you must have heard it many times. So pylint helps us to implement that. It helps us to understand how well the code is written or whether it is a random some random shitty code and where we can improve in this particular script. So let's understand. So first of all, I will be calculating the pylint score for one of my scripts in this particular project. It's an existing project. This might take some time, so it's giving us all the logs. Also here you can see that what are the issues, at what line the issues are, and eventually in the end you will see a pylint score result that has been given by the script. So here you can see that the pylint score is pretty bad, that is 0. So now we will try to improve on this pylint score for this particular script. So first of all, we will be pip installing a couple of packages, that is isort. So it is already present. Then the next one that I am taking is black, and the last one I might be using is autopep 8. So we have installed three major libraries. I will be telling you how we will be using them, and then eventually how we can improve our pylint score as well. So first of all, I would be using isort. So isort is basically helping us to rearrange our imports. So basically, it is said that commonly, like imports on the same family should be around each other. They should be in alphabetical order, and also it will help us to create sections within the code, which is a single script for now. So as you can see that if you have observed above, the all the sorts have been rearranged now. Next, a few more modification. As you can see, all the imports have also been arranged in alphabetical order now. This must have improved our pylint score to some bit. We'll in the end check what is the pylint score now. I'm using black to further improve on the code quality. Black has also been used. Now the last one that I'm trying to use is auto update. We're not jumping into technicalities of what these packages are doing. Eventually they're just cleaning up the whole code for us automatically. Now I've run all these three packages. Now let's see what is the pylint score now. There would be some issues still remaining. So you won't get a perfect result, but still I think we got initial score was 0. This should have improved by some significant margin now. Now you can see that we started with the 0 and now the pylint score is 6.56. So that's great. So now here in this video you saw how we can improve our code quality using three major packages like in a sequence, or like you can use one of the packages as well depending upon this is a usual practice that I follow, that I take all these three packages and run them initially, so that all the basic problems are getting resolved automatically, and now the major ones I will resolve. So this is how you can see that how we improve from a score of 0 to a score of 6.56. So that's a great jump. For the remaining 3.5 we need to work hard, and I think there would be certain packages that can resolve those wildcard imports as well for us. So figure them out, and eventually you see how we can improve the code quality using pylint and a combination of other libraries in this particular video.